Alright, hello everyone, welcome. This is just a video to pass over while I make 2 or 3 more videos. We're going to have an XDefiant review. I'm looking at getting Dead Island 2 so we can review that. And I'm also going to have a video about catfishing in VR chat. So yeah, cheers. So this is a video, as I said, to pass over. And if I put up on screen now, bang, I have made a Instagram account with, the life of me. And basically I'm going to be posting Polaroid pictures on there. I bought one of these. So when I go like cycling, you'll see like my cycling footage. And yeah, overall, just a whole lot of things that I'll be doing in my life. Not necessarily vlogging. I mean, maybe one day, if we can grow a fan base here, I would love to vlog. I'd love to vlog me going abroad. I'd love to do all that. But when I do go abroad, it'll be posted on this Instagram, being pictures of things that I've seen or videos of attractions. Even if I go into London, which is only like a half-an-hour journey. But yeah, we'll see. So if you want to, just follow the Instagram. Pardon me. There's a whole lot going there. This is only a short video, but pardon me again. But if you want to follow it, please do. And yeah, this has been Liam from Wise Gaming Media, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next 3 videos, which is XDefiant, Dead Island 2, and catfishing in VR chat. So 3 interesting videos, I'd say. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one in a bit.